It's funny how things change, or how people change you. But there's always that one person that you would change for.
I seem to find myself talking to the powers that be, awake in the shade and shadowed under towering trees, admiring the scene, inhaling fumes of flowers to breathe. Jet-lagged eyes are begging for an hour to sleep, although my bloodshot whites and irises, they never find any. Clocks stop at times where this sunshine could blind many. Although my eyes are heavy, they won't be closing soon, cause I heard that time waits for nobody, I suppose it's true. We make corrosive tunes through acid.
You think there's hope, and you think you always have a choice.
I feel to vent a rhyme, so I can still invent the lines and stay close to the friends of mine. Cause real recognize, real is what my father says, and I'll be sticking to this phrase until I pass away. Overwork and no sleep is just another way to die slow, but I'll just keep on going strong and never let my eyes close.
It's what you do that resembles who you are, and what changes you.
Interview with a vampire. Sleep is for the living and not a utensil that I require. I swear I said that I sleep when I'm dead. Who's on the beat upon the feature with Ed? It's DV to the Z. Overtired, pale-faced like Michael Myers. Bags underneath my eyes can show the baggage I've required. And over time within this maze,
When someone turns their back on you, you have a choice to turn yours back. But now I don't have one.
Time to wage war, scissors, grab a sword and sharpen up your hunting knives. Two psychopathic lyricists that driving on the hunt tonight.
In life you find yourself running from people you fear, the police, or even yourself. Of London life.
When trouble steals thoughts from a restless mind for free, it could be